My hygiene friends. Hello friends, let's meet our special hygiene buddies. They help us stay fresh, clean and healthy every day. Let's say hi.
Hello, I am Toothbrush.
And I am toothpaste.
I use a toothbrush and toothpaste to brush my teeth.
Hi there, I am soap.
I use soap to clean my hands and body.
Hello, I am Comb.
I use a comb to comb my hair. Hey boys and girls, I am Shampoo.
I use shampoo to wash my hair.
Good day, everyone. I am Water.
I use water to take a shower or a bath.
Hi, I am Towel.
I use a towel to dry my skin.
Hygiene. Hygiene every day. Let's keep clean. Hip hip hooray. Now you know your hygiene buddies. Let's play. Pause the video and try to find all the hygiene friends hiding in the bathroom. Well done. Good job. See you next time.